How to download Metatrader 4 on laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download Metatrader 4 on laptop. So in order to do that procedure, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you need to set up. So for that, first of all, you need to go ahead and download the following file. After you download the following file, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. Then tap the next button once you're done installing it. Then read the license agreement and all that, and click the next button if you're sure about it. Now you need to go ahead and select installation path. So select the software installation path or leave everything as it is set up by a default and click the finish button. After the software is installed, you can run it and you will see this account opening screen. Just skip this by clicking on the cancel button. So that is how you can install your Metatrader. That is how you can download Metatrader 4 on laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.